Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select basic and default options concerning your documents on the Notability application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon down below, which is the first option, and scroll down till you find this option saying document. Here you can select from a vast variety of options or features concerning your documents, such as the default title of your notes, meaning that you can select that standard title that all of your documents will get on this application. So if you want to change it, just simply tap on this, tap into this box and type in the new name. Then, as you can see, you can also select whether you would like to include the date or time in your notes. So tap on the relevant one in order to turn on this function. If you scroll down, you can see that you have the chance to change the default template, which is now set to plain blue, but you can change it anytime if you feel like to do so. There are a vast variety of options ranging from basic templates to like templates organized into distinct categories such as education, creative, planning, and so on, by tapping on the edit button. Then if you scroll down, you can also select the default note view. You have two options here, seamless or single page. Then you can also select the default media options such as rounded corners and the textbook paper. You have many options here, as you can see, and you can also select the colors. So you don't need to press anything like a save button, because all this information has been saved and updated. So if you go back, you are going to see that these options will be available. So you can change them anytime by going back to that section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.